Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Tuesday, May 25th, 07:39 a.m. New York time. Well, the U.S. equity market's not open. The name of the equity market is the stock market. Let's look at the performance yesterday. We're looking at a weekly charts, means each candle's a week. Since yesterday was Monday, that means that current candle I'm going to show you is not complete. We're looking here to see, did we break out above or below the prior week's candle, or are we still inside that to identify leadership? First, we look at the equity indexes. The S&P 500 cash index. We're green. Yesterday formed a green weekly candle above the prior candle, which is the inside bar. We broke above that. That's bullish. The momentum's to the upside right now. We'll see later today if we continue. So right now, this is the top leadership. We see it's a green candle formed and a higher high and higher low than the prior week. Let's see what's either equal or better than that. The NASDAQ 100, also green candle, higher high, higher low than the prior. The Dow Jones, green, higher high, higher low, all good. The Russell 2000, no, it's inside the range of the prior candle. It's a yellow candle, means it has not traded above or below the prior candle. This is not leadership. The Russell 2000 index is not leadership right now. Also, the Dow Transports, look at that yellow candle inside the prior, not leadership. The Dow Utilities did break out higher, made a higher high, higher low, but closed red. It's not leadership. So right off the bat, the top 3 leadership indexes right now, we see here, based on the 2 candle pattern, 2 candles yesterday, this current week and the prior week, are the top 3 indexes: S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let's look at the yields. What did the yields do? First, look at the 30-year yield. We broke below the prior week. Lower yields typically means lower interest rates, and inverse for the bonds. So this is good. Broke out. So the trend is down right now, small trading range. The 10-year also broke below the prior week. And the 5-year inside candle did not take out the higher low of prior. So that's an acceleration. And the 30 and the 10 are trending down. Or we have the equities, the stock index is trending up, and the yields trending lower. On to the next. The sectors. The S&P 500 has 11 sectors, and we're going proportionate. The first being the largest percentage. XLK, technology. Green for the week, made a higher high, higher low, outstanding, trending up, leadership. XLB, healthcare. Look at that inside candle, that is not leadership. XOF, financials, also inside candle and acceleration. So right now, there's only one of these so far performing well. That's the first one. XLY, consumer discretionary, also inside candle. Oof. So far, only 1 out of 4 is leadership. XLC, communication services, higher high, higher low, green, This is good. So we got two of them, two hot dogs. Wink, wink. XLI, industrials, inside candle, not leadership. XLP, consumer staples, where it is green for the week and it made a higher low. It's back inside that range of the prior one. It's not as good. It's better. Oh, XLE. Look at that. Inside candle, inside the prior candle. XLE energy. 2 weeks in a row. Inside candles. XLU, utilities. Higher high, higher low, but it's now back red inside the prior candle. That's not leadership. XLRE, real estate. Higher high, higher low. Strong, way up there. XLB, materials, inside candle. That's not leadership. So the takeaway is we already identified 3 indexes out of the 6 indexes. Only 3 of them are leader. And identifying these sectors, most of these sectors are not doing well for the week. Very few of them. What are you invested in? Even if you're trading, are you trading the winners? Yeah. Identify it. If it's green candle, it should be also higher high, higher low, and above the prior candle high. Yep. So some of them are not like that. But this makes sense that the XLK is hot because it's just like the NASDAQ 100. On to the next FANG, the FANG stocks. First is Apple. Look at that. Apple, inside range, yellow candle. That's not leadership. And that is part of the NASDAQ 100. Struggling, part of the Dow also. Microsoft, strong like bull. Strong like bull. Higher high, higher low, above the prior candle. I mentioned this one of my videos I shared with you a few days ago and a few weeks ago that Microsoft was one of the strong ones. Look to buy on a pullback. Amazon, struggling right here. Yep, inside candle, inside the prior week. It's not helping the NASDAQ. It's not helping the S&P 500. Facebook, wow, strong like bull. Look at that. Higher high, higher low, trading above the prior week. Google, also strong like bull. And I mentioned that was one of the strong ones too to consider buying on the pullback. Tesla, higher high, higher low. Yep, it's turning around, reverse strong right now, these two. But overall, way below the high of the year, struggling. November Victor Delta Alpha, yeah, higher high, higher low, higher below the higher than the prior week, so trending higher, strong. Netflix, inside candle, that's not leadership, way off the high for the year. Bravo Alpha, Bravo Alpha. Look at that, it's green for the week, but it made a lower low, lower high. That is not leadership. No, that is struggling. Yep, that looks really bad. So again, the takeaway here is the most popular stocks here in the FANG, most of them are struggling. Yep. So right off the bat, what I saw was Microsoft, Facebook, and Google, as well as NVDA, looked good. And then from the sectors, do a little recap here. The sectors, XLK was looking good. XLC, XLRE. So the majority of them are not. The majority of the FANG and the majority of the sectors are not looking the best. We saw the stock indexes, leadership. We saw the interest rates going down, and we know the financials were strong. Let's just do a look at the financials momentarily, just to look at maybe one of them. Actually, maybe we'll do the semiconductors momentarily. Yep. Intel. There we go. Higher high, higher low turned around. We already spoke about NVDA turned around. Alpha Sierra Mike Lima. Yep. So the semiconductors are looking good. They all made higher high, higher lows. Let's go one more semiconductor. AMAT higher high. ADI. Cree is not Charlie Romeo E Echo Echo. Yeah, they're not. AMD also inside candle. MU higher high, higher low. So overall, the semiconductors are looking good. There we go. Now we know. So what do we expect to happen this morning when the market opens? What is leadership? Oh, looking here at the 15-minute chart on the futures of the equity indexes. We're trading below the highs of overnight. But looking at the S&P 500, we are higher than the high of yesterday. The NASDAQ 100 is higher than yesterday, so we may gap up this morning. And the Dow Jones is higher than yesterday's high. We still have till 9:30 a.m. till the market opens, where the Russell 2000 is inside the range of the high of yesterday. So we may gap up this morning if we continue trading above the high of yesterday. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel. By going below and clicking on my PayPal link, you can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.